Hey, are you looking for a home decor for your current project that is budget friendly, gorgeous, and easy? Stay tuned. I have a great DIY for your summer decorating. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Hello everyone, today we're going to do a very easy DIY and budget friendly. It was discovered by some genius person that shower curtains will make a gorgeous wall art. There are so many selections and colors to choose from and the designs are exquisite. I would suggest though using a middle grade or higher fabric for durability and colors. You want this to be as close as possible or a beautiful piece of art. So what you would need is some scissors, a shower curtain, of course, a staple gun. I'm using some adhesive spray. You can use Mod Podge or whatever other glue that you can put on here, but I think I'm going to try this adhesive spray to get a nice even spread of glue. And then of course you need your canvas, whatever size canvas you're going to use. This one is by Artist Loft. I purchased it from Michael's. It's 18 by 24 inches. Okay, so you're going to spread out your shower curtain just like I have it here, and you're going to pick a pattern that you like, that you want to be seen on your canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to iron this complete shower curtain, and then we're going to place the canvas on top to see where we want our pattern to be. I have two of these canvases here. We know by the shower curtain width, which is 72 inches, that we have enough room here to use both of these canvases. So I left my canvas here and I turned it upside down, so give me a little guide of how far down I want to be, because I'm going to be using this shower curtain 3 times for 3 pieces of wall art. So we're going to go ahead and cut this as straight as we can. I folded it in half so I can get a nice straight cut. Also keep in mind that you want to leave enough room for overlap when you're cutting. So cut enough that you can have enough material to overlap to the back when you start to staple. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be using 2 canvases, and I'm trying to figure out what is the best place to place it that it would actually show a flower. The flowers are so big. When you have a big design like this, you must place your canvas on here that you can actually distinguish this is a flower. If I place it in these areas where it's just blues and teals and black, you don't know what that is. It's just a big, beautiful pattern, of course, but you don't know that's a flower. So since this is going to be an art piece, I'm going to shift it so you know that this is the stem and these out here are the petals, if you understand what I'm saying. If I put it right here in the center, of course, that's the ideal place you want it, because you figure the stem is in the center and you have all these petals. Well, once I start cutting it and stretching the canvas, you don't know what this is. So I'm going to slide this over to the side. Okay, so guys, we turned our shower curtain upside down so we can place our canvas. I've already sprayed it down with some spray glue and we got it nice and smooth. So now we're going to place our canvas, if I can remember how I want the pattern. So here is the stem and here is the blooms on the outside. So we want most of the blooms as much as we can get and also have enough room so we can have overlap. Now, of course, the spray adhesive is forgiving. So if you don't have the placement that you want, you can always move it over. Now, if you have a burnish roller, that is a good tool to have to help you smooth out your material. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay guys, so make sure you don't have any wrinkles on the top here before you attach your sides. Once it's satisfied and there are no wrinkles, okay, we are going to bring up our sides here. As you can see, we're going to make sure we get all the sides adhere to the canvas. We don't want to pull too tight because you don't want to rip it. And then you're going to take your stapler and you're going to staple. So I'm thinking 4 staples should do. We're going to start with that. We already stapled going across, right? So now we're going to take our finger and go up the edge just like this. You're going to have a corner on this side and then you have this part up. You're going to take this part here and you're going to fold it over, and you're going to take this part and you're going to fold this over. Now you have your nice clean edge, if you can see that. There's no excess material, and what you're going to do is go ahead and staple that. And you're going to do the same thing on this side, on all sides. Okay everyone, we are finished and everything is stapled down, so let's take a look. And there it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Very, very pretty. Okay guys, so we have everything matted in on the canvas. So now I'm getting ready to put some little accents on my canvas, my little wall art here. And I have some Mod Podge, and I put it in a little container here. And then I have a very small brush that has a very sharp edge. And then I have some very large, not large, but glitter, but a little coarser than your fine glitter. See, they're like little stones here, pretty coarse. So they're bigger than your glitter, okay? And I had this for years. I couldn't tell you where I got it from. If I come across it, then I will put it in the description box. So what we've done so far, I've already laid some of the glitter out and put it on the canvas, but I want to show you what I've done. I don't want to put glue all over this and just lay glitter down. I'm just going to edge this out, I believe, and maybe just do the top of the flower here in solid, and maybe come down here in the stem and do some of that. Since we are doing a bigger area here, we're going to stop there and put our glitter, because we don't want the glue to dry on this. We're going to see how this looks. And then if I were to go back in and exaggerate the line a little bit so it looks interesting, then I'll do so. But that is our start. Okay everybody, so this is what it looks like. It turned out so well. It just highlights the darker areas very nicely. I like how it looks. So now we're just going to hang this up. Like what you see? Don't forget to follow me, Bree's Project Book, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!